Hi, I'm James from 84 Property, and today we're going to talk about one thing we always get asked at this time of year. A lot of people towards the end of the year, and particularly over Christmas and the New Year, spend a lot of time away from their homes. Whether they're visiting relatives or going away on holiday, is a really popular time when a lot of properties are left empty. Today I'm bringing you our top 3 tips when you're away from your property over the winter period. The first thing you need to consider is the heating within the property. You might be thinking this is an excellent time to save on heating bills because no one's going to be home and you don't need to heat an empty house. While this is definitely true, you do need to consider how the property may be impacted if we have a deep freeze over the time you're away and temperatures really plummet. The best way to avoid there being any damage within the property from pipes freezing and bursting, which can cause huge floods, is to make sure you leave your heating on a low setting to keep the property above freezing at all times, whilst also being able to save on not having to bring it up to a temperature you might like to be if you're at home. Tip number 2 is to make sure that you check all your appliances, all your electronics, and make sure that things are switched off and unplugged where they can be. Even things you use every day can be a fire hazard, and this can be especially risky if there's nobody home and can cause huge amounts of damage. However, there are things that can be left on, so you don't need to turn off things like your fridge or your freezer to make sure that you can keep your food cool while you're away. Tip number 3 always seems like the obvious one, but be mindful of your security if you're going to be away for a long time. Make sure that you're checking all your windows and doors are sealed and locked as they should be. Make sure that if you're friendly with your neighbours, they know you're going away, so they will know if there's any suspicious activity in the house. If you're renting through an agent, you should let them know that you're away for a period of time for the exact same reason. And if you've got any lights that can be left on a timer, it's a really good idea to have those set to come on at the sort of evening times when you would be home, because it can give the impression that people are home and within the property. As an extra bonus tip, we always suggest it's worth having an extra sweep through your house to check that all the rubbish has been taken out. Not only does this mean it can be collected while you're away, but it means that you can avoid coming back to any nasty surprises. We did have a group of tenants once who went home to see their parents over Christmas, and when they returned, they'd had a rat come in through their cat flap who had created carnage in their kitchen. I'm James from 84 Property. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.